Hey guys, today I'll show you a new way to go live on TikTok without having up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. Please watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed, we don't have up to 1,000 followers on our TikTok account. Now let me show you how to enable the live option. As you can see, we were able to send TikTok our account to help us go live. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.